Guys, I hope you're enjoying your Saturday morning. I'm gonna post like 3 or 4 videos today of individual stocks, and they're gonna be like 4 minutes each, the videos, and it's all gonna be related to the charts. So if you're into that, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video, and leave a comment down below. Let me know some stocks that you're into. This video is really gonna be, the first video today is gonna be about Hood stock, Robinhood, okay? And we've been talking about this. I made 3 videos so far on YouTube. All of you that have been following this channel know that I bought at 11, 22, and then I bought more at 12.94. And Hood stock right now is trading at $14. And I think there's more upside coming. And I'm gonna show you exactly why that is. So all I ask, guys, that you drop a like, subscribe, of course, and grab your coffee. Here's mine. Also, this is just my own opinion. I'm definitely not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and do what's best for you and your family. Let's get right into it. I'm gonna give you guys 2 scenarios for Robinhood stock. First is very short term, where I think this stock is going next. And the second part of this video, I'm gonna give you my long-term perspective on Robinhood and where ultimately I think this stock can go, and I'm gonna tell you exactly why that is. So the first things I wanna point out, because I do teach on this YouTube channel, of course I teach in more depth in the Patreon for $7 a month if you wanna support this channel and join an awesome community. The link is down below. But the first target, guys, for me is the 1618 level, which is exactly $15.22, okay? I've been saying this for quite some time now. Go back on my past videos for Robinhood. I said I could see this going around $15. And for this reason, I was basing it all around earnings, which Robinhood had a great earnings report. I was basing if I was gonna buy more on Robinhood's earnings. So Robinhood had a great earnings report. I ended up buying the dip again at $12.94, and now I'm holding my current position. Now this is my game plan. The reason I think this will happen is you can see over there on the left-hand side of my screen, there is going to be some resistance in this area, okay? There's gonna be strong resistance, being my opinion. But also outside of that this is the 1.618 level, which I also think will be heavy resistance. Another reason why I think we're gonna hit this zone and then pull back is we're touching the top line of the Keltner channel, the yellow line. I talked about that last time. You could look past previous, what has happened every time we touch the yellow line. We tend to pull back. The fourth reason why I think we'll hit this zone and then pull back is the RSI right now on a weekly time frame is trading at 67. You can see the white arrow right there. All we've ever reached is highs of 68 on the RSI. This is telling us that Hood stock is gonna need to cool down for a little bit, because on a weekly time frame, being close to 70 is very overbought. So I think if you caught this run, congrats to you, but I will probably be taking profits in this area if we reach it. If we don't reach this zone, then I'm just gonna hold, okay? Because I'm about to show you the long-term perspective for Hood. But another good sign is we broke this trend line right here. So strong move up. Stochastic is also getting to the top. This could curl over, and then Hood could obviously pull back a little bit. Some other things you want to be aware of. I mean, that's pretty much it, right? Very straightforward. This is where I think we're going. I listed the reasons why I think there's going to be a pullback very soon. Now let's talk about the long-term perspective for Hood, and really for people that don't want to trade the stock, they just want to hold, and they're okay seeing a little bit of red for maybe a couple days or even a couple of weeks. All right, guys, so same setup, but I just expanded the screen for you. So you can see Hood is actually in an uptrend, which is a really positive sign. But again, the concerning factors I've listed is the RSI and the stochastic, and obviously the Keltner channel. We're touching it right now on a weekly time frame. And just so you guys know, usually when we first touch the Keltner channel on a weekly time frame, from previous, the last 2 times, we tend to run for the next 2 weeks, and then we sell off, okay? So Hood could definitely run this next week coming up, but ultimately I think this would be a take profit zone. Maybe we get as high as like $17. That would be like my next area that I would definitely be taking profit. So my strategy is really to sell some right above 15 bucks, hold some still, sell more around maybe like $17, and then wait for that pullback and buy the dip, because ultimately I think Hood is going to do a full Fibonacci retracement and reach $23. And I'll just let you guys know, it's pretty solid. Like if you got in at $11.22 like I did, and we do a full Fibonacci retracement, that's 100% return. It's pretty solid, right? I'm not going to be complaining if I can double my investment, but my strategy is I want to increase overall share count. So I watch the RSI and the stochastic and the Keltner channels and Fibonacci very, very closely. And I share all these details with the Patreon a lot faster than I can on YouTube. So at the end of the day, guys, if you don't want to join the team, that's totally fine, but at least follow me on X. You can see it right here. It's at BusinessDad with 3 S's, because I'm going to be updating X, Twitter, whatever you want to call it, every single day with these stocks. So guys, hopefully this was helpful. Appreciate you for watching. Don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, and we'll see you on the next one.